I see 4 chickens. 5, 6, 7. You guys were all laying on top of each other. So this is our big, huge, yucky winter mess. That's just gross. We gotta clean it. Chicken coop is a mess. They've been in from all winter. You don't go out and change it when it's winter like that. You just can't. Deep layer. So we're gonna clean this out. But unfortunately, this is a task that has to be done. So, yay. Doing all the things today.
She's got 1,000 thoughts racing in her head. Dreams so big they shake her bed. Running fast, losing track of time. Got a heart that chimes like a bell on high. Days go by in a whizzing whirl. Fingers tapping, she's a busy girl. Chasing stars but losing sight. Every day is a new fight. But she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every step she takes rewrites her fate.
Angel, you should be on. Okay. She's doing it. That's the pecking order. Angel was saying that she is the queen. Well, now it is. It wasn't earlier.
Crafting castles where none should be. Painting skies with shaking hands. Making magic no one understands. But she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every step into her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way.
Did you take him off the leash?
Once they said I couldn't do it, laughed it off like it's a joke. But I'm the spark, they're the fluid, lit the fire, watch me soak. Dreams they tried to cage and tether, claimed I'd never reach the sky. Took my pride, I pulled the lever, now I'm waving them goodbye. I'm standing tall against all odds, rising high above their clouds, breaking free of all the frauds. Hear me singing loud and proud, voices echoed
that side. And that side dug out. Working. All manure for the garden beds. Okay. The coop has been, sorry guys, it's windy, has been scrubbed out as much as it could. So now I'm going to fill it with fresh new cedar bedding. And the chickens are gonna have a field day. And then afterwards I'll wash the water and stuff. And this will all break down like the stuff I just took out. Your coop won't stink. And yeah, it'll be good. All right, so now we're gonna go check out the inside of the coop after. See, that's a big difference. We usually keep it pretty clean in the spring, summer. It's mostly like over winter, they're wrapped in here. And got the chickens, they got their swings, keyboards. That's a gigantic treat. That's their bath under here. All nice, cleaned out. They're getting water, so that's their water and their feeds over there. I may not be able to get to do this one today. I think I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow just because this took a lot longer than I was expecting it to. And I still gotta mix up the soil in the garden beds. What's your chickies doing? Oh, there's a bee. A whole bunch of bees over here. Are they bugging you, Angel? You trying to take a bath? Jackpot! That is 2 days worth of eggs. Forgot to get them yesterday. This is a fake egg. The rest. Pretty eggs. And they're huge too. So this one's green. This one's blue. You don't, depending on where you hold it, because of the brown, but blue. Let's see. Got this. It's a pretty blue. There you go. Oh, there's no sun. Anyways. Blue, green. I should use my other basket, but I am going to use, that's a really blue egg. Wow. It's a nice blue egg. I'm trying not to break any. Eggs are very valuable